Okay, so just to kind of recap, foods that are loaded with polyphenols, colorful foods, and dietary fiber are good for gut health. Good gut health, good hormonal health, helps to keep everything in balance.
Meet Dr. William Li, a world-renowned Harvard-trained medical doctor, researcher, and president and founder of the Angiogenesis Foundation. His work has led to more than 40 FDA-approved therapeutics and devices for cancer, cardiovascular disease, wound healing, and vision loss. He is also a New York Times best-selling author of Eat to Beat Disease, The New Science of How Your Body Can Heal Itself, and Eat to Beat Diet, Burn Fat, Heal Your Metabolism, and Live Longer. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your physician or other qualified health provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. Do not disregard professional medical advice or delay in seeking it because of something you have read or seen in this video. Dr. William Li emphasizes the importance of eating seeds like flax seed, sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, pumpkin seeds, and chia seeds to beat disease and kill cancer. These seeds are not only tasty but also packed with nutrients that can make a big difference in your health. They are packed with nutrients and contain something called lignans. One special lignan, called SDG, can help your heart after a heart attack. Scientists at the University of Connecticut Health Center did a study where they gave rats a high cholesterol diet and then caused them to have a heart attack. They split the rats into two groups. One group got SDG in their diet, and the other didn't. The rats with SDG had double the amount of a growth factor called VEGF, 33% more new blood vessels in their hearts, and their hearts pumped blood 22% better. Plus, the damaged heart tissue was 20% smaller. Seeds with SDG also have a lot of dietary fiber, which helps lower cholesterol and is good for your gut, making them great for your heart and health. Chia seeds.
Now, let's talk about another category of foods that can help keep hormones in balance, and that is your omega-3 fatty acids. Sometimes they're called PUFAs, P-U-F-A. That stands for polyunsaturated fatty acid, okay? And the name is accurate. These are healthy fats. Now, you can get these healthy fats from plant-based foods, okay? You get the precursor, linoleic acid. Chia seeds have them as an example. When you eat them, your body has to convert the linoleic acid from the chia seed. It converts it into omega-3s, all right? And it's actually a useful thing if you're a vegetarian or you're a vegan to know that seeds like chia seeds can actually be a good source of omega-3s.
Dr. William Li highlights chia seeds as a potent food for cancer prevention. Chia seeds are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that help protect the body from cancer. Their antioxidants, such as quercetin and phenolic compounds, neutralize free radicals that can damage cells and lead to cancer. Omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds also reduce inflammation, which is a known risk factor for cancer. Chronic inflammation can create an environment that promotes the growth of cancer cells.
Now, the one thing about omega-3s that is helpful no matter what is they lower inflammation. Lowering inflammation protects us essentially from many of the chronic diseases that are fueled or sparked, triggered by inflammation. So it's a countermeasure against chronic disease. And on top of that, the recent research has shown that omega-3s can protect our stem cells. These are the cells inside our body that allow us to regenerate and heal and repair our organs.
Additionally, the high fiber content in chia seeds supports digestive health and may lower the risk of colorectal cancer by maintaining a healthy gut microbiome and promoting regular bowel movements. Essential nutrients like calcium and magnesium found in chia seeds are linked to a lower risk of certain cancers, including colorectal cancer. Dr. William Li also emphasizes that chia seeds are incredibly nutritious, making them a popular choice for health-conscious individuals. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which is essential for heart health.
Omega-3s, omega-6s are really just words, names that describe polyunsaturated fatty acids. These are healthier forms of fat that are important for our body. And the fact is that we need both omega-3s and omega-6s. The problem, as you just mentioned, is that we in sort of modern societies tend to eat way too many omega-6s. And just like everything else in health, when you're out of balance and when you have too much of one and not enough of another, that extreme, especially with omega-6, sets us up for inflammation.
Additionally, chia seeds boast a high soluble fiber content, allowing them to absorb water and swell, which promotes satiety and aids in digestion. They provide a good source of plant-based protein, essential for muscle repair and overall body function. Chia seeds also contain a variety of vitamins and minerals, including calcium, magnesium, manganese, and phosphorus, which are vital for bone health and metabolic functions. The health benefits of chia seeds are numerous. They contribute to heart health by lowering triglyceride levels and increasing HDL cholesterol, thereby reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. The presence of quercetin in chia seeds has been shown to lower blood pressure, further supporting cardiovascular health. Their high fiber content aids in digestion by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation, while also acting as a prebiotic that feeds beneficial gut bacteria, essential for maintaining a healthy gut microbiome. Chia seeds can also assist in weight management due to their ability to absorb water and expand in the stomach, increasing feelings of fullness and helping to reduce overall calorie intake. Moreover, they may help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity and reducing blood glucose levels, making them beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes. The Brigham Young University study found that eating chia seeds helps keep your telomeres long, slowing down the aging process. Adding chia seeds to your diet is an easy way to stay healthy and live longer. Flax seeds.
I also want to say that you can get omega-3s from eating plant-based foods, because some plant-based foods, like chia seeds and flax seeds and walnuts and Brussels sprouts, they actually have the precursor to omega-3s that when you eat them, your body can make some omega-3s as well, although not very much. And so there's different ways of getting omega-3s. And the reason I, as a scientist and a doctor, tell people, including my patients, that omega-3s are important to know about and important to consume is because we know they help cardiovascular health. They're associated with a lower risk of heart disease. They improve your circulation, which is important whether you're a young person who's physically active, you need more blood flow to your muscles on one hand, but on the other hand, there are people that are older that need better blood flow to their brain and other organs as well. But when we think about good cognition, we want to be able to actually be vital and functional for as long as we're able to with our lifespan. Omega-3s play a role there as well.
Dr. William Li recommends flaxseed, also known as linseed, for its numerous health benefits. Flaxseed comes in two types, brown and golden. Golden flax grows best in colder climates, while brown flax prefers warmer, more humid areas. To get the most nutrients, brown flaxseed is usually ground up, making it easier for our bodies to absorb its benefits. Flaxseed is considered a superfood because it is packed with nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, especially alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, lignans, and dietary fibers. These nutrients give flaxseed its powerful antioxidant and cancer-fighting properties. Eating flaxseed can help prevent diseases, including cancer and heart problems. Flaxseed is very high in dietary fiber, which can help with constipation and improve digestion. The omega-3 fatty acids in flaxseed can lower cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Flaxseed also provides essential minerals like magnesium, phosphorus, manganese, vitamin B1, selenium, and zinc. One of the best things about flaxseed is its high lignin content. Lignans are plant compounds that can help balance hormones in the body and are found in much higher amounts in flaxseed than in other plants. Lignans can help with menopausal symptoms and balance estrogen levels by binding to estrogen receptors in the body. The main lignin in flaxseed is called SDG, making up about 95% of the lignin content. When we eat flaxseed, our gut bacteria convert SDG into other compounds which have antioxidant properties and mild estrogen-like effects. These lignins can also act as anti-estrogens, binding to cell receptors and stopping the growth of cancer cells, which contributes to flaxseed's potential cancer-fighting benefits. According to a review in the journal Frontiers in Nutrition, several studies have shown how flaxseed can help with cancer, especially breast cancer. In 2 studies, 28 postmenopausal women ate either 10 or 25 grams of ground flaxseed every day for 7 or 16 weeks. The results showed that these women had more of a protective estrogen metabolite in their urine without increasing the harmful one. This means that eating flaxseed can help reduce the risk of breast cancer by promoting a healthier balance of estrogen in the body.
Clinical studies have shown that women who are undergoing menopause, the women who eat more fruits and vegetables, more polyphenols, get more dietary fiber, have better gut health, all right, better gut microbiome, they tend to have fewer menopausal symptoms, and their symptoms tend to be less severe as well. So another argument for eating produce, plant-based foods, eating specifically thinking about your gut microbiome, which reduces inflammation, which text messages your brain, lowers anxiety, better social hormones, all kinds of good with that. So that's what clinical research has been showing so far for women who are undergoing menopause. Polyphenols, dietary fiber, good for menopause.
Another study at the University of Toronto looked at the effects of flaxseed and tamoxifen, a common breast cancer drug. They tested mice with estrogen receptor-positive breast tumors. The mice were given diets that included ground flaxseed, tamoxifen, or both. The results were impressive. Flaxseed alone reduced tumor growth by 74% at low estrogen levels and by 22% at high estrogen levels. When combined with tamoxifen, flaxseed reduced tumor size by more than 53% compared to tamoxifen alone. This shows that flaxseed can make tamoxifen even more effective in fighting cancer. More studies with mice have found that diets containing 5 or 10% flaxseed, about 25 to 30 grams daily for humans, can slow the growth of breast cancer cells. Flaxseed also helped reduce the spread of breast tumors. These studies showed that flaxseed not only increased the effectiveness of tamoxifen, but also kept its power to reduce tumor growth, slow cell multiplication, and increase the death of cancer cells. Another trial with women scheduled for breast cancer surgery found that those who ate a daily muffin containing 25 grams of flaxseed had decreased tumor cell growth and increased cell death compared to a control group. If you found value from this video so far, please subscribe and leave a comment to support the channel. Pumpkin seeds.
One of the reasons I love pumpkins, let me pick one up. Ugh, heavy. One of the reasons I love pumpkins is actually a great source of dietary fiber. A cup of pumpkin actually contains 6 to 7 grams of dietary fiber. It's about a fourth of what you would actually want for a whole day in a single cup. So think about all the things you could do with dietary fiber to improve your gut health, which lowers inflammation, improves your immune system, and activates your metabolism. The other thing about pumpkins, check it out. I don't think I'm going to get this one, but I'm on a little hunt for other ones. But the other thing about pumpkins is that it contains zeaxanthin and lutein. These are bioactives that have been shown, they've been shown to be good for aging eyesight, to prevent vision loss from age-related macular degeneration. So maybe you know somebody who's getting older who wants to protect their vision. But also, those are carotenoids that have been shown to improve your metabolism, improve your gut health, improve your immune system, and improve your circulation as well. So a lot of good reasons to actually like a pumpkin. Now, here's the thing. When you're a kid, you buy a pumpkin, you carve it, and you toss out the insides. What I'm telling you to do, because of all these good bioactives, is to look for a recipe to actually cook with the pumpkins. You can roast the seeds, all right? You can also take the flesh and make something delicious out of it. That's where the dietary fiber is. That's where the lutein and zeaxanthin is as well. So don't toss it out. Use it.
Dr. William Li advises adding pumpkin seeds to your diet for their numerous health benefits, especially for heart health and anti-aging. Pumpkin seeds are rich in natural oils and lignans, which are compounds that help keep your heart healthy. Additionally, pumpkin seeds have been shown to have a positive effect on telomeres, which are crucial for aging and cancer prevention. Telomeres are the protective caps at the ends of our chromosomes. Think of them like the plastic tips at the ends of shoelaces that prevent them from fraying. Telomeres protect our DNA from damage during cell division. Every time a cell divides, the telomeres get a little bit shorter. When they become too short, the cell can no longer divide and becomes inactive or dies. This process is a natural part of aging. Telomeres play a significant role in cancer. When telomeres get too short, cells can start to behave abnormally, which can lead to cancer. Cells with critically short telomeres can undergo genetic changes that allow them to grow uncontrollably, forming tumors. Therefore, maintaining longer telomeres can help reduce the risk of cancer by ensuring that cells divide and function properly. Studies have shown that eating pumpkin seeds can help keep telomeres longer, which helps slow down the aging process and reduces the risk of diseases, including cancer. Normally, telomeres shrink by about 15.4 units each year. However, eating seeds like pumpkin seeds can slow this process down. This means that adding pumpkin seeds to your diet can make you healthier as you age by protecting your telomeres. According to a study published in Phytoterapia by Medjakovic and colleagues in 2016, pumpkin seeds have been used in traditional medicine for many years, especially for treating problems related to the bladder and prostate. The researchers wanted to see if pumpkin seed extract could help fight cancer. They tested a special extract from Styrian pumpkin seeds on different types of cancer cells, including prostate cancer cells, breast cancer cells, and colorectal cancer cells. They also looked at a cell line from benign prostate hyperplasia, which is a non-cancerous condition, and a normal skin cell line. In their experiments, the researchers found that the pumpkin seed extract was able to reduce the growth of cancer cells by about 40–50%. However, the normal skin cells showed much less growth inhibition, only about 20%. This means that the pumpkin seed extract was more effective at targeting cancer cells while being less harmful to healthy cells. The study calculated the IC50 values, which is the amount of extract needed to stop half of the cancer cells from growing. These values were around 177 to 192 ml after different time periods. The researchers also looked into how the pumpkin seed extract worked. They found that it did not rely on certain hormone receptors, which means it could be effective for people regardless of their hormone levels. This is important because it suggests that pumpkin seeds could be a safe option for treating prostate issues without affecting hormone balance. Sesame seeds.
But omega-3s is one of those substances, dietary factors, from seafood or chia seeds and some plant-based foods that allow you to have that healthy hormonal balance. Now, one thing that also has omega-3s, seaweed. If you ever go to a sushi restaurant, go to the sushi bar, they might have on the menu seaweed salad. That's called wakame, and that actually contains omega-3s. So order a seaweed salad with a little bit of sesame oil and sesame seeds on it.
When it comes to metabolism, it turns out omega-3s play a role there too. Omega-3s activate a special kind of body fat called brown fat in all of our bodies. This is a good fat. So if omega-3s are a kind of good fat we eat, it activates a kind of good fat that we have inside our body. It's plastered around our neck, under our breastbone, underneath our arms. And this good fat burns down, improves our metabolism, burns down harmful visceral fat, which also lowers inflammation. So here's what we're talking about. These are healthy fats that you can get from various types of food sources or dietary supplements that are so important in our modern knowledge of health.
Dr. William Li recommends sesame seeds for their many health benefits. These tiny seeds are packed with nutrients and compounds that can improve your health in several ways. Sesame seeds are rich in essential nutrients, including vitamins and minerals. They contain high levels of magnesium, calcium, iron, zinc, and vitamin B6. These nutrients are vital for maintaining healthy bones, immune function, and overall energy levels. Sesame seeds are known for their heart health benefits. They are high in healthy fats, including monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. The antioxidants in sesame seeds, such as sesamin and sesamol, also help protect the heart by reducing inflammation and preventing the buildup of plaque in the arteries. Sesamin, a natural lignin compound primarily found in sesame seeds, has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which contribute to its anti-cancer effects. According to a study in the Journal of Chemistry, their research highlights that sesamin can inhibit the growth of various cancer cells, including liver, lung, colon, and breast cancers. Specifically, the study focused on its effects on HepG2 cells, a type of human liver carcinoma. The findings revealed that after treating HepG2 cells with sesamin for 48 hours, the inhibition rate of cell growth reached 41.8%. This indicates that sesamin effectively suppresses the proliferation of cancer cells. The study further elaborated on the mechanisms behind sesamin's anti-cancer effects. It was found that sesamin induces early apoptosis in HepG2 cells, which is a programmed cell death process crucial for eliminating cancerous cells. The research indicated that sesamin's inhibitory effect on HepG2 cell proliferation was associated with the downregulation of specific proteins, particularly cyclin A and cyclin B1. These proteins are essential for cell cycle progression, and their decreased expression leads to cell cycle. Moreover, the study discussed that sesamin's anti-cancer properties are not limited to liver cancer. It also demonstrated inhibitory activities against non-small cell lung cancer, which accounts for a significant portion of lung cancer cases. The overall conclusion drawn from the study is that sesamin's ability to regulate protein expression, induce apoptosis, and promote cell cycle arrest makes it a promising candidate for cancer prevention and therapy.